Dr. One, my brother from another mother. Talking about Mr. John Hunt. Nangu Malume. Hello, Malume. Hello, Mr. John Hunt. How are you doing this afternoon?
Good afternoon, and good afternoon to all the champions out there.
How is everybody doing at Spares Boys this afternoon?
Yeah, we're doing absolutely great. Everything is fantastic. New year, new beginnings, new excitement. So, yeah, we're just ready for it.
I must say we really appreciate your tips that you give us almost every week here. And today we want to talk about the heat. It's very hot these days. How can I help my car in this heat?
Well, the way it's heating up, it's very much like us in this heat. I'll say to all the listeners out there, please keep yourself hydrated. Drink water. It's important. So for your poor car now that's standing at that robot constantly in the heat or waiting in a traffic jam, with this extreme heat we've got in Durban, it's so vitally important that they keep the car's engine cool. And the best way to do that is keep checking that you have sufficient water in your radiator, and do yourself a favor and buy yourself a bottle of antifreeze or two and add that into your radiator, which just helps. It's like your car drinking cold water.
Sure.
It just helps cool the car down, keep the car operational, and then just the wear and tear of your car is just so much better. The engine will last so much longer. So in this heat, make sure your radiator is full to the very top. If it's with only water, when you get a chance, try and add some antifreeze, because the antifreeze just lowers the temperature. It makes all the water in the engine a lot cooler and operate at a cooler temperature, which results in better performance in your engine.
Sounds amazing. And are the things heating up, though, at the Boyz?
Wow, things are extremely hot here at the Boyz at the moment. We're into a new year. We've got new shipments of stock. We've just got a whole lot of the used cars that have arrived for the used parts. We've got containers that have arrived. So things are really, really heating up at the Boyz, and so are the specials.
Oh, now you're talking business. That's my favorite part, talking about specials. Tell us about how we can best deal with the Boyz.
Right. So let me first mention how the Boyz actually operate.
Sure.
So we have Parts Boyz, which includes every single brand on the planet, and our Parts Boyz division specializes in new parts, from the smallest part to an complete engine, everything brand new with guarantees and warranties, whether it's Ford, Toyota, Mazda, Suzuki, VW, Opel, Chery, Mini, Fiat, Isuzu, Dodge, Chrysler, Porsche, Mahindra, including taxis. We're running incredible 2026 specials on all new spares. That's through Parts Boyz. Spares Boyz is our division that specializes in new and used parts specifically for 12 brands. That's been Mercedes, BMW, Honda, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Citroen, Volvo. Any one of those 12 brands that you drive, the Boyz have the entire range of new and quality used parts. Just to mention to the listeners out there that a quality used part is normally an original OEM part that is taken off the car and resold to you again. So it is a genuine part, but at a much cheaper price on the second-hand side. And of course, the offering we have is for those armchair buyers who want to just order off the computer, get the part delivered directly to their house. We have Africa Boyz Online that deals with every single part of every single brand that you need, brand new. You can deal with directly through Africa Boyz Online. So that's how best to deal with the Boyz. Get in there, choose the division of the Boyz which is best for you because of the brand that you drive, and they'll be too happy to give you service. Our gearing, our energy, our effort this year is 1,000,000% on ensuring that the customers out there get the best possible part at the best possible price. And that's our promise for 2026. So things are extremely hot at the Boyz here. We need you to pop in, pop online, give us a call, or pop in and visit us. We'd just be too happy to see you.
Thank you so much, Mr. John Hunt, the uncle in the vehicle spare parts business. Same time next week.
Have a beautiful, blessed, safe week. Everybody, let's slow down. The heat is there. Slow down, take things into control, breathe, have a beautiful, happy, blessed 2026.
Thank you. There you go, man. Ungakhohlwa ke nawe ukuthi uvotele ingoma yakho ofisa ukuyizwa emva kwendaba zethu zehora